Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress, an easy method for building your website. First, we'll cover the basics of setting up your WordPress site, including choosing a hosting provider and installing the software. We'll then explore the dashboard, understanding its key sections and how to navigate them efficiently. This initial setup is crucial for laying a strong foundation for your online presence, ensuring you start on the right foot with confidence and clarity. Next, let's dive into the WordPress dashboard, your central hub for managing everything. We'll show you how to create new posts and pages, adding engaging content with text, images, and videos. You'll also learn to organize your content using categories and tags, making it easy for visitors to find what they need. Mastering the dashboard empowers you to control your site's narrative and keep it fresh with new information. Now, let's make your website truly yours through customization. We'll explore how to select and activate themes, instantly transforming your site's design. Then, we'll introduce you to the world of plugins, powerful tools that add features like contact forms, security enhancements, and SEO optimization. These elements allow you to tailor your site to your specific needs, ensuring it looks professional and performs exceptionally well for your audience. Finally, we'll guide you through launching your WordPress site and keeping it running smoothly. This includes essential steps like setting up backups, ensuring your site is secure, and understanding basic maintenance tasks. We'll also touch on how to promote your new site to reach a wider audience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home as organized as your new website. Consistent maintenance is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.